So, this is meant to be a happy start to the vlog, be like, whoa, we're going to New Zealand, but actually we're not. Our flight got cancelled because there's a cyclone in New Zealand at the moment, and now we're wandering around Sydney trying to find accommodation for tonight, and everything is booked out, so we're not having much luck at all. We've even tried backpackers. So, here's our journey of trying to find somewhere to stay for tonight. After about 3 hours trying to find somewhere to stay, Jasmine's dad found somewhere for us to stay. We're in a backpackers. I don't even know what it's called. What is it called? Like
Village.
The Village or something. It's in like it's in Chippendale in Sydney. So this is what it looks like. And there's like 8 beds and there's people shit everywhere. And we've just kind of gate crashed for the night. Joel and Jazz. Oh, nice black Jazz.
Do you know what? They probably will never see us. They'll probably come home thinking God knows when, and we'll be going to the airport.
Yeah, literally. We probably like bypass them. That's about it. So Joel and Jazz are currently making their beds. Joel's on top, Jazz on the bottom, and that's mine.
Joel's always on top.
You're funny. So let's see how this goes. Our rooftop. Thank you. And then cool little park over there. Building back. Got a little lounge room in here. What more could you want for 38 bucks a night? Woo! We went for a little walk to a shopping centre that's like pretty much over there. I went to Kmart and stuff, got some food. Now we're just chilling on the rooftop again. The sun has actually come out now, and of course it's turned out to be an actual pretty good day besides wind, so I hope you can hear me. But yeah, it's a bit disappointing not being able to get to New Zealand tonight, but I'm actually not even that angry. I don't know, like, there's nothing we can really do about it, to be honest. Bloody cyclone. So yeah, we're just hoping we actually get there tomorrow, so I'm sure we'll be going out for dinner soon. I'm happy with Jazz. She's just chilling. Sun a bit bright though.
Yeah, well, I can't see my phone.
And yeah, the sun has actually come out. You probably can't see anything, can you? Nah. We're having dinner at Nando's. Me and Jazz got a salad. Joel's disappeared somewhere. So hoping it's good. That's it. Bye! So I'm on my top bunk now. And they're down there. This is my bed for the night. I'm going to say goodnight here, and hopefully I'll see you in the morning when we are on the way to the airport or something like that. And we're on our way to New Zealand, hopefully. Good night! Everyone, we are actually in the airport this morning. Thank God. We got an Uber this morning, and it was my first Uber experience, and it was actually pretty good. So I'm going to be using Uber from now on. Our driver was really nice, but we have an hour until we can check in. So Jazz's mum has just landed from Bali, so we're going to go see her before we check in. So we're all checked in now. Hopefully our flight's going to go ahead. Joel, stop it. We're at the departure gate. We're going to get a photo, and then we're going to go through security, and then we are free. Let's hope our flight goes to plan.
Please let us know at any time if you need any assistance.
Okay, so we are now on the plane. We are actually... Joel! We are actually going to New Zealand because we're on the flight and they can't cancel it now. Jazz is on the aisle, I'm in the middle, Joel is on the window, and it is a domestic plane, so it's very small. It's not an international one. So we'll see how this goes. It's only a 3-hour flight, so shouldn't be too long. in Queenstown and it is bloody beautiful. It doesn't even look real. Yeah, it doesn't even look real. The mountains look fake like a picture. But it's amazing. We've gotten a shuttle. We walked out of the airport and straight into a shuttle. Amazing. It's costing us $32 for 3 of us.
On the same price.
And now we're going to go into central Queenstown. He's going to drop us at our hotel.
Oh no.
Yeah. We've made it to our apartment. It's the Coronet View Apartments and it has the biggest hill to bloody get up here. Anyway, so this is our view. Look at that. It makes me feel like I'm in Twilight, to be honest. And this is...
You're joking.
our apartment. So there's the kitchen, which has everything. Joel and Jazz's little bed, lounge, my bed's in the corner, huge TV, someone's left their Netflix signed in, so we have Netflix. Down here is our bathroom, very simple. And the lady that runs this place, her name is Sarah, and she just talked to us for a bit, and she is great. So I'm really looking forward to staying here. So my shower gel exploded in my suitcase, can you see? Went all over my jackets, all over all my bloody toiletries. Just thought I'd view what's outside our apartment. That's what it looks like. And that's our little apartment right there. You can see Joel and me. And that is the mountain. It's a bloody steep driveway. And you can see over there, I don't know how well you're going to be able to see this. Snow-capped mountains. Amazing. Okay, so we just walked up a huge hill after getting food. We're only halfway up it, but I had to stop and show you this view because it's absolutely insane and it's getting dark, but it looks amazing. Oh, you can't even see it. Okay, let me zoom in. Look at the mountains. We're just about to eat dinner and I thought I'd show you before we devour it. We have a chicken burger with chips and I'm also trying this new drink. It's Powerade and it's green one. We don't have this back home. It's pineapple storm flavoured with coconut water. It's interesting. But yeah, and we're watching Like Mike because some idiot left their Netflix signed in on the TV. So now we're using it. Sorry about it. Ending the vlog. I've just had the best shower of my life. I'm going to bed. Don't know what we're going to do tomorrow, but I'm excited for a day of exploring. I'll see you then. Bye! Bye guys.